Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put negative number 2 go to the left. Now we can use about reduction variable. So I need to put about v equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have number 2. First derivative of y, we have dy over dx. This is about the constant, so if we do first derivative, you got about 0 in here. So we can simplify like this. So this one we change by v. This one we change by dv over dx. So the x we put on the right, L and v we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one only. We can use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to L and v. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to dv over v. And the next one I will put about dt equals to dv. The integration of this one, we got about t equals to v. So we have u multiplied by v. So that's about u with t, and we have L and v with v. Minus, we have the u multiplied by t, so v divided by v. So we just have the integration dv. And this one, we have negative v, and we put about c in here. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of the s, you got about s. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.